Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing a projector that delivers top-tier performance at an affordable price. The Yaber L2S projector with JBL sound and 700 ANSI lumens. If you're looking for a home theater upgrade or an outdoor movie projector, this one is definitely worth considering. Let's start with picture quality. The full HD 1080p resolution ensures sharp and detailed visuals, while the 700 ANSI lumens brightness delivers rich colors and deep contrast, even in moderately lit rooms. Whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or gaming, this projector provides a truly immersive experience. Next, let's talk about autofocus and setup. With seamless autofocus and auto keystone correction, the image automatically adjusts for perfect clarity within seconds. No more struggling with manual focus. Just turn it on and enjoy a perfectly aligned screen instantly. The image is sharp, colors are vibrant, and it's bright enough to use even in a slightly lit room. Perfect for movie nights or even presentations on the go. It is very portable and has fantastic picture quality for the value. I was also very impressed with the JBL speakers, as most other projectors I've tried have low-quality speakers. These were great and made action movies and music sound amazing and very clear. I couldn't be happier with this purchase. One of the biggest highlights of this projector is sound quality. Unlike most projectors that require external speakers, this one comes with built-in JBL speakers, delivering crystal-clear audio with deep bass. Whether it's movie dialogues, music, or gaming sounds, the powerful speakers make sure you get an immersive audio experience without needing extra sound equipment. Now, let's talk about connectivity. This projector supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, making it super convenient to stream wirelessly from your iPhone, TV stick, laptop, or PS5. The low latency connection also ensures smooth gaming and video playback without lag. Another great feature is silent operation. Unlike many projectors that can be distractingly noisy, this one runs quietly, allowing you to stay fully immersed in your content. Considering all these features, the Yaber 1080p projector is an incredible value for money. With stunning visuals, JBL sound, fast autofocus, and seamless connectivity, it easily competes with higher-priced models. If you're interested in this projector, check out the link in the description for the best price and discounts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.
What, did you stop for drive-thru? Swing up park, I'm gonna lay him out for you.